What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We are going to make a video today of what to expect when you visit Miami. This is our first time here, and we're just going to run down what we've seen and what we've encountered.
A lot of craziness, a lot of crazy.
They know how to party. They know how to party meatball days for days. The first thing that we notice when we are walking around here is people just walk in front of cars and they don't care. You could be turning and they're gonna walk in front of you, and that's it, right? People don't care, they just walk in front of you.
We also saw a motorcycle trying to hot rod it, hit a little bit of a manhole cover, went completely sideways and somehow saved it. It was nuts.
All right, another thing you're gonna encounter when you come to Miami, if you have a rental car or a car, there is almost nowhere to park. They have so many spots blocked off, and there's just so many people and so many cars that there's nowhere to park. So, like, this car is blocking a fire hydrant, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. They park motorcycles up here, and
At the bike lane.
there's nowhere to put your car. Now, there is places to park, but you're going to be paying that price per parking spot, which is absolutely ridiculous. Also, people drive very fast here. Say hi, ladies.
Hello. Hi, ladies.
Another thing to expect when you're in Miami Beach or South Beach, that's where we're at right now. The traffic is crazy, but people blow their horn for everything. The bridge was up. It was one of them split bridges, so boats can go under it. And everybody's honking the horn to go. There's nowhere to go because the bridge is up. I don't get it, people. I just don't get it.
Another thing, there's cops everywhere. We probably counted 60 cops yesterday alone.
Another item that you should expect is a lot of luxury and supercars. I've never seen so many supercars in my life. I've been to car shows with less supercars than I've seen on this trip. The next thing to expect when you're in Miami is very large and beautiful buildings, but also very large boats, gorgeous boats. I mean, I'd say they're yachts. They're not boats, they're yachts, let's be honest. And lots of bridges like this one. Another thing to note about the car driving, go straight.
Oh, you said turn right.
I said, yeah, turn right off the exit.
You couldn't turn left.
You're turning left at the second stoplight. Well, it's too late. You're turning left. You're at the second stoplight. Left.
Sorry.
Turn left onto Northwest 12th Avenue.
Which left?
I'm sorry, I'm out of it here. Ready to rumble!
Another thing to note about people's driving and the craziness, if you think you're doing the speed limit, you better double it, multiply it times 3, spike the brakes twice, and you should be doing the speed limit, because nobody does around here. Just punch the gas and go. The next thing we noticed when we were in Miami is it's very hard. There's a very big language barrier. So if you only speak English like me, it's kind of hard, because you go to a restaurant to order and they don't quite understand. Like, my girlfriend wanted to exchange her cheese for a different cheese on her burger. Well, he said, "You want Swiss cheese?" Not, "Do you want to exchange your cheese?" He didn't understand that. So she took that anyways. That was fine with her, but it's hard for them to understand what we're saying and for us to understand what they're saying. And the final thing that we noticed when we were in Miami is tolls. Tolls. Everywhere you go is a toll road. What we ended up doing, because we rented a car, and for every toll you use, they charge you $10 on top of the toll. So what we ended up doing was clicking on our map and hitting use no toll roads. So it took us longer to get where we were going, but we saved a lot of money. I mean, you go through 10 tolls, that's $100 on top of the toll price just for driving. So you gotta look into that stuff when you're there. We did hit 3 tolls while we were there. Well, 2 were the first night when we got there, and we just wanted to get to the hotel because never use Ace rental cars. They were terrible. But that's whatever. Just don't use them. By the time we finally got our rental car, we just wanted to get to the hotel because we needed dinner. So we just did, and we just ended up hitting 2. And the next one we went to, I think it was some key or something, and we had to pay a toll to get onto that. So we knew about that one though. So tolls are ridiculous. So just keep that in mind when you're visiting Miami, Fort Lauderdale, South Beach, you know, all of the above.